guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany with Foxborough Vintage on Etsy and Shop Foxborough on the Poshmark app. If you didn't know, I am a reseller of fashion on both of those sites, and today I have another unboxing video for you. So I've been looking at mystery reseller boxes for a long time, but in general, I have a bins next to me. I have good thrift stores, so I don't really find the need to pick up mystery boxes, but they are kind of fun. So usually if I can get one pretty affordably and I'm confident that the seller is a good seller, then I'll go ahead and pick it up. I had some bad luck with a thrifting wanderluster recently. I never got my box, so I decided to console myself with this box from Ashley Day from EveryDeyStyle, and she has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. She's awesome. I love her personality and I like her content, so I thought that I would support her, and I picked up this box before Poshmark had their shipping increase. So it cost me, I think, I'm pretty sure the box was $30, and it's a minimum of 5 items, and shipping was $6.50. So let's see what she sent. She sent it in a priority mail shoebox, so this long box is a shoebox. And everything is pre-wrapped. There's 2 bags in here. So that's nice in case, like, I live in a really snowy climate, so if this were to get left out during a snowstorm, it could get wet, so it's really nice that these are protected. She said that you could kind of give her like an idea of what you were interested in receiving, and I said all sizes, but I love that like retro mudcloth style, so we'll see what she sent. Okay, so the first item is gray, like wool type of dress. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is Banana Republic size 6. And if this fit me, I would actually probably keep this. I really love this. So it's got these like multiple tiered ruffles in the front, and it's sleeveless, but it is wool, I think. I mean, it's super soft, but it's fully lined, and it's pretty heavy, which makes me think that it's like a wool blend. Could be polyester though. Let's see. Oh, it is 65% polyester, 33% rayon, which explains why it's so soft. But yeah, I love the style of this. I think that's cute, and that will fit in perfectly with my closet. So even though it's Banana Republic, I actually have pretty good luck selling some Banana Republic stuff. I like the size, and I love the style, so that's great. Let's see, what else? These look like pants or joggers, maybe? Let's see. Oh, it's mudcloth, size small, and they are like wide leg, sort of like flowy rayon trousers, and they have pockets, so they are like a nice wide leg, if you can see that, elastic waist. Yeah, so that's cute, and it's exactly the type of style that I asked for. These look really, they're definitely high-waisted, so these would look really cute with like a tank top and then like a wide belt and some sandals for the summer. They're nice and lightweight. Let's see, the next is a pair of denim, and these are Blank NYC, which I've heard of but never found myself, and they're like super trendy. So she's some the ones with like distressing here at the pocket, and then they also have it's called a step hem, where it's shorter in the front than it is in the back, and it's also got that like released look to it where it looks like they took the hem down and altered it, and then the frayed cuff. So these are like multiple trends in one. So those are cute. And it looks like they're an ankle pant. And there was a tag in it that was taken out, but That's not a problem as long as it has the size. Oh, it's my size. Size 29. So I might have to try these on. Maybe they'll end up in my closet, maybe not. But they are really cute. And I have actually been trying to find more denim. I don't find a whole lot of good denim up here. I certainly don't find things like Frame or Mother or like sometimes I find Paige, but I really don't find a lot of good denim here. So it's nice to find, or it's nice to get that to add to my closet. All right, so that's 3 items. I'm only expecting 5 minimum. Well, she said 5 minimum, but I can already see in this there's more than 2 more. So let's see. This is the brand is Cope, C-O-P-E, and I think this is Urban Outfitters. Yeah. It could be Anthro. I'm not super familiar with it, but the RN is 66170. So this is an adjustable spaghetti strap tent dress with stripes and an alternating pattern, which is really cool. And it is lined. So let's see if the lining goes to the bottom. No, it's partially lined, so it's lined to about here. And then the bottom is more of like a sheer. So that'd be really cute for the summer. And I think that would look really cute with a wide belt. So happy with that. That's awesome. And this is new with, oh no, this is her business card. This is nice business cards. So pretty. Let's see. Okay, so a cabbie tank. This is the older cabbie, the older label. And it's a medium. Cowl neck. Really draped cowl. Sleeveless. And if you didn't know, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is probably why she sent this. This is so cute. It's this tiny little cats with hearts. Let's see if I can show you. Can you see that? Little cats, little hearts. Someone is going to love this. And I have a lot of cat stuff in my closet already. So that's awesome. But if you didn't already know, you can find the style information on the inside tag with cabbie. So if you look on this side, it says style number 829. So I'll type in cabbie 829 into Google and find out what this is called. But I love that. That's so cute. Let's see. Here's another piece. Okay, this is Topshop, and it's new with tags. And it's sort of like a beach cover-up. So it's like, it's got the spaghetti straps. Again, they're adjustable, which is nice. People like me who are short but chesty like those. It has the elastic on the back. And this is actually, it's a size 8'10". So it's not bad. It's my size. I'll have to try it on and see like what the style is supposed to be like. Because it's got buttons down the front up until, like, it's got a partial button front, so it does, the buttons don't go all the way down to the bottom. And I'm sure that can be worn as just like a regular everyday dress. It's a little bit sheer for my taste, but it would make a really cute beach cover-up. Alright, and last item. Let's see. Oh, another ModCloth piece. Yay! Thank you, Ashley. This I love. Little pointel knit sweater. So it's got this little diamond knit pattern in the front. And when there's a lot of very fine knitting work and there's a lot of spacing between the knitting, that's called a pointel knit. Like this. Let's see if you can see that. And then the back is solid. And it's full length sleeves, and the color is kind of like a marled, like salmon and yellow color. So, and that's a 1X, which is great. It's plus size too. So that is it. Let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she packed my box completely full, 7 items. She sent 2 ModCloth pieces, which I absolutely love. She sent either an Anthro or Urban Outfitters piece, and some blank NYC pants, a really cute Banana Republic dress, and the adorable novelty print cabbie top, and she also sent that Topshop cover-up dress. So all in all, I think this was an awesome box. She must have looked at my closet because she just hit the nail on the head. It's just really cute stuff, really perfect. So I highly recommend her. I had picked her because I actually saw in the comments on another YouTube video of an unboxing that someone was really happy with her box. So I was like, oh, I like her. I watch her YouTube. I didn't know she did mystery boxes, so I'm going to go check that out. And yeah, so I'm really glad that I did it, and I'll be happy to get this stuff listed. As you can see, I do have a rack that already has to be processed before I can get to these, so my 2 mystery boxes will be next after this stuff. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope that you'll keep coming back. I have so much more content to share with you, and it is great to see you. Thanks so much. Bye.